Homeowners are sitting on significant equity, even as home price appreciation has eased recently. If you're a homeowner, your net worth got a boost over the past few years thanks to rising home prices. Here's what it means for you, even as the market moderates. Hello, my name's Rick Miller, and I'm a realtor, and thank you for watching my Jodico Properties YouTube channel, where I'm dedicated to helping maximize your buying and selling real estate opportunities so you can make the best decisions for yourself and your family. Because of the imbalance between how many homes were for sale and the number of buyers in the market over the past few years, home prices appreciated substantially. And while price appreciation has slowed this year, mainly as a result of high interest rates and inflation, that doesn't mean you've lost all of your equity in your home. In fact, the latest Homeowners Equity Insights report from CoreLogic finds that the average homeowner's equity has grown by over $34,000. And if you've been in your home longer than that, chances are you have even more equity than you realize. So, why is it so important right now? While equity helps increase your overall net worth, it can also help you achieve other goals, like buying your next home. When you sell your current house, the equity you've built up comes back to you in the sale, and it may be just what you need to cover a large portion, if not all, of the down payment on your next home. So if you've been holding off on selling, it may be time to find out how much equity you have and how it can help you fuel your next move. To find out just how much equity you have in your current home, how you can use it to fuel your next purchase, call me and I can help you. And if I'm not familiar with the area that you're in, I can find somebody who is. Home ownership is a long game. And if you're planning to make a move, the equity you've gained over time can make a big impact. Don't let buying and selling in today's market intimidate you. Contact me and I'll explain how you can use today's market to your advantage. Thanks for watching. Ring that bell for me and remember to subscribe. And until next time, if you're looking to sell, good luck with your sale. And if you're looking to buy, then happy house hunting.